Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Nick here from One Guy, One Car. And today marks part 1 of the Corolla build. So you guys can just follow me. Basically what's happening first is we're going to be tackling a problem that is really annoying when it comes to driving around in driver comfort. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but these speakers are blown completely, and today is going to be the step-by-step process of how to change out speakers into aftermarket ones, just so you guys have, you know, better clarity of audio, better sound quality and everything. Now we're going to get to work on taking the kick panels and everything apart, so just follow me. We're in now an undisclosed location. So these are the panels here. Like, this is where my speakers sit, and there's one on the other side. The other side we've already finished, so whatever is done on this side is probably going to be the same on the other side in your case. So the easiest thing to do is just do that, and it drops. And yeah, so we're fortunate enough that the speaker is actually the perfect size. So basically what you want to do is, before you actually install everything, is to lay everything side by side, make sure everything's the right size and everything, just so you know you're not going through this whole goose chase as to, you know, do the parts fit, do they not fit. So we're fortunate enough we didn't measure anything, and we're very lucky that these fit. And yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how to install everything. So just basically, first things first. In my car, which is a 1999 Toyota Corolla, and this is going to work for 1989 to 1991 Corollas. So just take the screws out that are holding this. The whole thing just pops right out, which for you guys just be more delicate than I am. So this is the aftermath of my speaker. This is how my speaker turned out. You can see that the cone is completely fucked. You know, there's no like it doesn't look like a full speaker. And that's the sound that you guys are hearing, the distortion in the beginning. So basically swapping this over is easy, just 4 screws. And then this whole thing comes apart. Oh shit. So yeah, these are the wires for the speaker. You got your positive and negative. So basically you just unclip. Okay, so now plugging everything back in, it's literally the exact opposite of removal. Big plug goes to the big plug. Small one goes to the small. Everything goes right back into place. Fits perfect. Now that everything's installed, everything's back in place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test run it to make sure everything works. So in order to do that, just come here, grab the keys, turn the car on.
Drinks in a Rolls Royce, just got it. She wanna bounce on my tell a friend about it. And a party till I'm inside it.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, so everything works, and now all we need to do is just throw the entire kick panel and everything back together, which is pretty much the exact same procedure as removing it. So any bolts you took out, any clips that you pulled out, just put them all back into place and everything should work out. That pretty much does it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to stay updated with any future contents, any future videos that are coming out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, my name is Nick from One Guy, One Car. Peace.